service, ang mensaheng inihatid sa atin ni Kuya Ed Lapis ay may pamagat na Why Parables. Books and CDs of Kuya Ed Lapis, prayer request forms, relief goods donations at the Lapis. Family Booster Conference or Connectivity is created to boost our awareness and paradigm on important family matters, relationships, finances, and spirituality for the whole month of May to July, 9 to 10 a.m. at Robinson Cinema 3 Main Hall. Admission is free. See details at Araw-Araw newsletter. Happier Family on May 24 with Pastor Gani Alba. On May 24, Witness in the Home featuring Dulaan Ka at Youth Explode with Pastor Edwin Rivera. Tip 2 will resume today 1:30 p.m. More Than Conquerors Sports Fest 2015 continues next Saturday. First game, white versus green. Second game, blue versus black. No badminton and table tennis next Saturday. Day by Day Christian Ministries 30th Anniversary Fiesta on June 7, 2015 at Bulwagan ng Panginoon. Wala po tayong worship service sa Robinson Cinema 3 on that day, June 7. T-shirt is on sale for 200 pesos. Package with free ride on bus. Get a t-shirt until supply lasts. Register your name and t-shirt size at the lobby and deadline is today, May 17. Welcome po sa ating mga first-time attendees. Please proceed at the ushering booth at the lobby to get your first-timers gift present. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Magkita-kita po tayo muli sa susunod na linggo. And God bless us all day by day.